Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Be Real, Raw and Weird with Bomaki, and I'm Prince Shah. And we have a very beautiful guest with us, who is a content creator and many things together. You'll get to know in the podcast. She's an avid traveler, and she loves to dress up. बहुत कुछ है जानेंगे एंड वी हैव दिया खुराना फॉर दैट.
हेलो हाय.
पहली बार है इनका शायद पॉडकास्ट
फॉर श्योर.
और मैं बहुत टाइम बात कर रहा हूँ तो थोड़ा वैसा होगा. जस्ट लाइक बी रियल रॉ एंड वियर्ड, इट इज़ गोना बी दैट कूल. सो दिया टेल अस अबाउट योरसेल्फ कि हाउ डिड you become so famous? I mean, that one spike that you got in the Instagram and it blew up your Instagram.
I'll credit wedding season. I have a friend who had a very insane wedding. मतलब तेरा फंक्शन कौन रखता है शादी में?
13. Oh, sick.
तो मैंने उसके शादी के लिए
Where
I
was it?
did.
In India?
Yeah. It was between Ahmedabad and Kochi. Like most functions were here, but main wedding, like 3-4 function were in Kochi.
Cool.
So I, for her wedding, decided it's ridiculous to put so much effort into so many outfits and not document them. So I did like a series for my best friend's wedding, what I wore to my best friend's wedding,
Okay.
and that really blew up.
Wow, sick.
So hopefully wedding season is that good again this year.
It
इस
will
साल
be.
वैसी शादियाँ नहीं है, but
Okay.
I mean,
But इस बार नवरात्रि वो कर देना.
हाँ, I'm
Getting-
working on it.
Okay.
I'm working on it.
That
We'll
makes
see.
sense. Cool. So we went through your Instagram and we got to know that हम लोग हैं थोड़े वो क्या बोलते हैं stalker type. मेरी टीम करती है.
चलेगा.
So we
It's called research. जब ऐसी
researched-
चीज़ें के लिए कर रहे हो.
researched and so we found that you are a dog lover. So am I. And you have 2 cute dogs.
Yeah.
So tell us about them if you can.
So growing up, my parents, well, my mother was very like no dogs. First it was blamed on my grandmother because दादी रहती थी साथ में.
Same है.
And so I never had a dog. And then मैं college गई थी and mummy used to always be like, oh, when you're living on your own, get a dog.
सही
तब मेरे घर में ये सब नहीं चलेगा.
Fair.
So 1.5 year I think into college, maybe my second year, like and second semester, second year में एक दिन I had a roommate at that point of time and both of us wanted a dog and our third roommate didn't want a dog.
Okay.
और वो एक सेमेस्टर गैप लिया था थर्ड वाले रूममेट ने, पर वो रेंट भर रहा था तो इसका रूम खाली था. सो वेर लाइक कर ही ले. सो लिटरली वन सैटरडे मॉर्निंग वी लाइक लेट्स गो. मिलने जाते हैं ना, एक शेल्टर था एंड वी यूज्ड टू गो टू प्ले विद द डॉग्स एंड जस्ट बी लाइक हम
Have fun.
like heal our heart.
Oh, okay, fair, makes sense.
So we would go. So we went and there was this really sweet dog जो इतना चुप था, पूरी कैनल भौंक रही थी और वो नहीं भौंक रहा था. And we came home with him that day.
Wow, that's cute.
So that was my first dog.
Ah.
And then 2 years later, I went for lunch to this restaurant that happened to be next to the shelter. And I went with a friend who already has a dog. Both of us already had one dog each. So we're like, we crossed the shelter. We're like, we both have dogs. We will not get tempted. Let's just go na. We came back with the second dog. So
Both of yours.
yeah. So my dogs were I was in college in Chicago, and I got
Okay.
both my dogs in Chicago. So I moved them back to India.
Oh.
और मेरे को इतना फनी लगता है कि मेरे को बहुत लोग पूछते हैं, ओ माई गॉड यू ब्रॉट योर डॉग्स बैक. और व्हेन पीपल इन कॉलेज लाइक, ओ आई एम सो सरप्राइज्ड यू टुक देम बैक. आई एम लाइक व्हाट डू यू गाइस थिंक आई वाज गोइंग टू डू? 2 साल कॉलेज के बाद मैं क्या करती हूँ उनके साथ? ऑफ कोर्स मैं लेके जाने वाली थी.
वाह, मेरे को नहीं पता शिकागो के बच्चे हैं. क्या बात है? तो वो इंग्लिश बोलते हैं.
अभी फिलहाल तो वो नेपाली समझ रहे मेरे स्टाफ से.
Okay.
बट हाँ, आई वॉज वेरी द ओल्ड वन. बहुत ही फर्स्ट चाइल्ड सेकंड चाइल्ड सिंड्रोम है. फर्स्ट चाइल्ड इज़ वेरी वेल बिहेव्ड.
I understand.
हाँ, उसको बहुत सब कुछ अच्छे से सिखाया था. सेकंड वन इज़ वाइल्ड. सो
बदमाश.
हाँ, so first one was trained in Hindi.
What are the names?
Zimba is my older one,
Got it.
and he's a boy. And my little crazy one, her name is Azura.
Azura.
Yeah,
Wow.
so
Sick
she has
names.
blue eyes. So she's an albino, so full white है. She has like one patch. I have a tattoo of them. See, it's
Wow.
both they're yours.
Shit.
Yeah. Nice.
So you're too close to them.
Yeah, they're my children. I mean, ऐसा होता है ना, like here when you get a dog, it's family का dog हो जाता
I
है.
understand.
But mine, I take a lot of pride in the fact that they only listen to me.
Okay, so दिया अहमदाबाद में बहुत ज़्यादा फेस्टिवल्स बनाए जाते हैं.
पूरे
उत्तरायण,
इंडिया में.
पूरे इंडिया में, sorry. पूरे इंडिया में, बट अहमदाबाद में नवरात्रि इज द बेस्ट.
Yeah.
Which is your favorite festival and which is the one that you like to celebrate the most?
I think it's a difficult.
Question.
No, it's like it's a tie. I think between Navratri and Uttarayan.
दोनों अहमदाबाद का बात
हाँ,
है.
because those are things that I think the rest of India doesn't celebrate the same way. We celebrate very differently. And also with Uttarayan क्या होता है कि my favorite part of Uttarayan is तुक्कल, और अभी तुक्कल बंद हो गया है, इसलिए it is a tie. नहीं तो I would say जो जब तुक्कल चलता था the best view was Ahmedabad at night. तुम पोल में बैठो रात को, it's like
A dream.
yeah, like looking वो छत पे बैठ के it's like just stars, fireflies जैसे लगता है दूर. It's yeah.
Thousands of them. वो literally वो क्या जो रात को मच्छर होता है.
हाँ, वो firefly, हाँ.
With the light.
हाँ.
It looks exactly the same.
Yeah, but Navratri is 9 days, so it's like longer festival.
Yeah.
But I don't think यहाँ पे वो जैसे दिल्ली में सब दिवाली
पर अब
करते
कैसा
हैं,
है उत्तरायण इज थोड़ा कम होने लगा है as far as I have seen.
क्योंकि हमारे चर्च में किसी ने सीखा नहीं है ना चढ़ाना खुद.
नहीं आता है. अरे
बहुत कम लोगों को आता है चढ़ाना.
नहीं मैं आपको ऑनेस्टली बोलूँ द रीज़न लोगों को अभी उसमें भी पार्टी करनी है. आई हैव सीन पीपल गेटिंग अप टू द टेरेसेस एंड द मेन रीज़न फॉर देम टू गो अप इज एक्चुअली ड्रिंक एंड हैव फन.
Yeah, but
वो जो क्रेज था ना कि
हाँ वो
सुबह
मतलब
6 बजे
काटने
उठ के
का
हाँ,
और
ये
वो
सब
सब नहीं रहा
बंद हो
है.
गया.
अब 12 बजे सब चालू होता है और
12
बाय
बजे भी नहीं, सुबह आ जाएंगे जल्दी बट दे विल पार्टी एंड चिल और 4 से 6 2 घंटा अच्छा गाएंगे दैट्स इट.
But नहीं, I mean at least a lot of people that I know, like in my parents' generation when we used to go as kids, सब चढ़ाते थे. Everybody knew
Yeah.
how to fly.
Yeah, true.
मैंने भी मतलब मेरे को चढ़ाने में बहुत स्ट्रगल करती हूँ, लाइक बहुत टाइम लगता है, बट हो जाता है एंड में. बट अगर कोई मेरे को काटना है तो मेरे को नहीं पता, लाइक आई मीन थोड़ा बहुत हो जाएगा, बट इट्स आई थिंक. एंड ऑल्सो मांझा हैज़ बिकम सो एडवांस्ड,
Yeah.
लाइक लोग कहाँ से क्या क्या लेके आते
Chinese डोरी and
हैं.
पता नहीं
हाँ,
क्या.
और वो सब तो करना ही नहीं है. लाइक इट्स जस्ट इट मेक्स इट सो डेंजरस
For
ऑल्सो.
the birds and everything.
Birds also, people also यार जो टू व्हीलर्स पे चलाते हैं. सो इट्स लाइक दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक इट्स अ बैलेंस, लाइक बोथ आर लाइक अ टाई. आई
मेरे
लव
लिए तो नवरात्रि. I just love doing गरबा.
हाँ, आई सो फॉर years मैं मतलब आई वाज नॉट इन अहमदाबाद फॉर मैनी years, सो आई मिस नवरात्रि एवरी ईयर. उत्तरायण तो भी आ जाता था क्योंकि विंटर ब्रेक लंबा होता है,
Makes sense.
लाइक एंड जैन तक
तो
होता
थोड़ा
है.
रुक जाते थे, but
हाँ, और नवरात्रि आई मिस
in the middle, yeah,
फॉर
yeah.
मैनी लाइक 10 years से ऊपर मैं नवरात्रि मिस किया है.
You been to the boarding school in Ajmer?
या आई वेंट टू Mayo.
Wow.
But yeah.
How was that?
आई लाइक इट. वहाँ पे उत्तरायण होता है, राजस्थान में भी उत्तरायण होता है, बट क्या स्कूल में बिकॉज इट्स सो मेनी किड्स दे डोंट गिव यू मांझा, तुमको मतलब डोरी देते. आई मीन आई अंडरस्टैंड इट्स अ सेफ्टी हैजर्ड, टू मेनी किड्स टू टेक केयर ऑफ, तो इट्स नॉट द सेम.
नहीं not the
हाँ.
Uttarayan part but how was it
ओ
in general?
बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ माई लाइफ. लाइक आई थिंक मेरे को थोड़ा टाइम लगा था बिगनिंग में एडजस्टमेंट में, ऑब्वियसली लॉन्गर देन मोस्ट. आई थिंक आई प्रॉब्ली टुक
when did you go, like how
आई
old were you?
वाज 11, मैं 7th ग्रेड में गई थी.
Fair.
या बट क्या लाइक मोस्ट पीपल इन 6-7 months ठीक हो जाते हैं. आई थिंक इट टुक मी ओवर अ ईयर आई वुड से, बट आई वॉज डिटर्मिन्ड क्योंकि बोथ माई पेरेंट्स आर बोर्डिंग स्कूल किड्स. तो मैंने पूरी जिंदगी यार ओनली हर्ड अबाउट दिस, लाइक आई वांट माई ओन एक्सपीरियंस.
परंपरा.
नहीं मतलब you know dad like so when I see them meet friends and they tell you all these stories about how they lived, it's like permanent sleepover ना essentially. तुम 30 जन एक साथ सोते हो रात को, so it's like so I enjoyed it eventually. I think 7th 8th मेरा थोड़ा मैंने खींचा था कि नहीं मेरे को करना है. Most kids in my place would have probably have left, but after that
you hung in there.
हाँ I was like करना ही है ये, मेरे को खुद का चाहिए.
That's a good trait to have.
Yeah, but I loved it. I loved, and I think तुमको बहुत it's not a very good thing, but most boarding schools like college have this hierarchy of seniority. मतलब 12th में हो तो तुम boss हो.
Yeah, I understand.
तो तुमने
First
अगर
year, second year, senior.
हाँ तुमने अगर जूनियर स्कूल किया है ना तो तुम्हारे में है कि मेरे को एक बार SC एक बार 12th क्लास तो करके ही जाना है, उसके बिना नहीं जाना
और
है.
जब मैं 12th में हूँ तो मेरे को उसको बुली भी करना है.
हाँ आई डोंट थिंक आई वॉज नॉट लाइक दैट. आई मीन
just saying.
हाँ नहीं
होता
बट
है ना?
होता है.
Yeah.
दैट इज हाउ इट इज. दैट इज डेफिनेटली हाउ इट
अब
इज.
शायद कम हो गया होगा, पहले बहुत होता था.
मैं अभी भी मतलब बट सी मेयो में ऐसा है, गर्ल्स स्कूल है बॉयज स्कूल है. हमारे स्कूल्स अलग है, लाइक दे आर CBSE वी आर ICSE, बट ऑल आर सोशल थिंग्स आर टुगेदर.
Together.
जैसे लाइक व्हेन वी होस्ट टूर्नामेंट्स, जैसे सपोज तुमने
तब साथ में होगा.
लाइक MUN किया है तो साथ में होगा,
Okay.
डिबेट साथ में
Got it.
होगा, बट तो तुम्हारा नाम साथ जाता है. बट
अच्छा तब से हो रहा है ये MUN?
हाँ
मेरे को लगा अभी नया नया कुछ
नहीं
नया
नहीं
है.
नहीं नहीं मैं स्कूल में थी तब भी होता था
But that is good, huh? I love that part.
MUN
Yeah.
हाँ
I love to see those मतलब इतने young kids, you know, representing and
हाँ
saying all
बट
that.
अभी ना बहुत इट्स लाइक नाउ किड्स एंड मच यंगर लेवल आर गोइंग मैं स्कूल में थी तब 11th 12th
Yeah.
when I was in 12th they introduced it in 8th 9th 10th but जब मैं it started then
Then.
I think Ahmedabad's that first big MUN was when we were in 12th like I know हाँ जो मतलब I know the people who organized it इसलिए
Got it.
no MUN था पार्लियामेंट था जो भी था but it was
It was
when I was in 12th
Model
हाँ
United Nations.
हाँ 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 MUN का फुल फॉर्म
Yeah. अरे I'm very bad at all that.
हाँ
मैं
नहीं
पढ़ाई में तो बहुत खराब
हाँ
था.
बट एक पॉइंट था मेरे में when they started pushing parliament instead of MUN because they're like पहले तुम इंडिया का सीखो
हाँ।
फिर बाहर जाके सीखो ये
लोकसभा राज्यसभा.
हाँ तो उन्होंने वो मॉक पार्लियामेंट चालू कर दिया था इंस्टेड ऑफ MUN
But that makes sense.
इट मेक सेंस बिकॉज टेक्निकली सबको इट्स वेरी फनी कि सबको पता है हाउ द अमेरिकन इलेक्शन सिस्टम वर्क्स
but not
क्योंकि इतना एडवर्टीजमेंट होता है बट यहाँ पे तुमको पता है तुम्हारे इलेक्शन में कौन लाइक रीजनली कौन खड़े थे किसी को नहीं पता है सबको बस कांग्रेस बीजेपी अभी आप
नहीं कांग्रेस में कौन
हाँ।
है बीजेपी बट यू एक्चुअली आर इलेक्टिंग समवन फ्रॉम योर
who will
एरिया
who will vote for someone who will vote for someone who will
किसी को आइडिया ही नहीं है.
एग्जैक्टली यूएस में वो डायरेक्ट होता है हमारा इनडायरेक्ट है और तो भी लोग नहीं समझते
नहीं समझते,
हाँ
ठीक है.
तो आई थिंक इट वाज गुड दैट दे स्टार्टेड पार्लियामेंट थोड़ा
अभी
तो
बहुत जवान.
नहीं मैं नहीं गई हूँ मेरे को जाना है पर आई मीन
नहीं उसमें भी इसके बारे में बात हुआ है कुछ.
अच्छा आई एम
politicians
नॉट
से
श्योर
बात हुआ है.
आई फील लाइक unpopular opinion for Gujarat but I feel like political propaganda has I think they have learned how to use Bollywood as propaganda
I know.
very well like I will say that kisi I'm surprised that like knowing the audience of the country they're doing it like it took them like what 70 years to realize that Bollywood is the way
Yeah, and don't want to name but ठीक है कि फिर cancel culture हो जाएगा ये सब तो इसलिए मैं
हाँ कट
हाँ, नहीं मैं दूर रहता हूँ. मैं
हाँ, same.
I was very involved in all this.
really
2 years के पहले मैं बहुत डीप था. मैं बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा था. Then I was like okay I have to get away.
I've
from
never
this.
been. I don't think I've never been like politically. There's too much bureaucracy in it. The way India works is very different. So you cannot say you hate or you love
yeah,
because
true.
उसमें
Makes sense.
कितने layers है.
Yeah.
You are when you say you hate, it's
It
like
is
you
just-
are. It's a
yeah,
strong word,
it's a strong
but you are disagreeing with someone's views, which is okay. But
वो लोगों को समझ नहीं आता.
हाँ it's like you cannot. It's like it is my opinion. Like यहाँ पे लोगों को है कि मेरे को तुमको convince करना
नहीं
है.
नहीं यहाँ क्या है मैं तुमको बताऊँ it's idealism. You make someone your idol.
Yeah.
You as in people make someone their idol and they'll do anything and everything to protect that person or that anything जो भी है.
But to some extent, it's amazing that you can your faith in your idol is so strong. It's basically क्या होता है they are translating religious faith to political faith.
वो तो भारी देखो that is very deep shit and that is like proper cancel culture thing. नहीं I'm serious.
हाँ it is.
Today if you talk something about that जो लोगों को समझ पसंद नहीं आया तो बहुत बहुत गलत चीज़ होती है. Ignore that shit.
Yeah, but I feel like everyone is entitled to an opinion.
But it doesn't matter.
It does. No one
Trust
cares.
me. Trust me. I've
I'm
seen
sure.
it all. नहीं तो मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ इंडिया में कैसा है if someone becomes your idol ठीक है तो मैं उसको तो बहुत पसंद करूँगा ही लेकिन उसके बाजू में जो है ना उसको उतना ही हेट भी दूंगा.
Yeah.
Trust me. मतलब
I agree.
I am not.
But honestly, this is true for forget about politics. Like something that everyone loves, like Bollywood. If
Yeah.
you like one actor,
Yeah.
जो भी उसका direct competition है,
Yeah.
automatically you hate them.
That is same thing happening in this industry as well.
Yeah.
Wedding brands. I have literally seen youngsters ऐसा भगवान मान लेंगे 2-3 ब्रांड्स को और बेचारे दूसरे ब्रांड उसको कुछ नहीं बोल रहे पर वो वहाँ
But they
जाके
will
हेट
hate.
करेंगे.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
इंडिया में वो है.
No, I don't think this is an India thing. I think
Is it?
social media has like, hiding behind a screen has become so easy that people feel entitled to an opinion, which you are, but you don't have to like force your opinion. You are entitled to an opinion. Hate, like nobody
plus-
practices kindness. Everybody practices hate because it's easier.
प्लस हाउ आई टेक इट ये मैं बहुत जगह बोल चुका हूँ. आई फील बैड फॉर दैट पर्सन इंस्टेड जो हेट कर रहा
I
है.
mean, good for you.
Yeah, because एवरी टाइम आई फील लाइक फक इसके ज़िंदगी में कितना ख़राब चल रहा होगा कि दूसरे को like shitting on someone else, he or she feels better.
मेरे को recently a friend asked me कि don't you get annoyed by these comments?
Yeah.
And I'm like I honestly don't read. मेरे को जब time मिलता है
I was
कभी
gonna-
मैं बोर होती हूँ
अच्छा.
तो I'll open and I'll scroll. And वो end में आ जाता है ना offensive comment hidden तो मेरे को like review के लिए आता है.
Oh, okay.
So I'll read sometimes and I was like I laugh because I'm like and it's very funny because people will comment very specific and it's 9 out of 10 times it's men.
Yeah.
Okay, who'll comment nice makeup but last post outfit better. Okay,
मतलब-
broken sentence.
You understand कि वो बंदा या बंदी कितना टाइम इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है खुद की लाइफ में से, समझ रहे
हाँ,
हो, लेकिन फिर भी गलत चीज़ें तो बोलनी है.
so I did a shoot जहाँ पे बहुत लोगों को नहीं अच्छा लगा है because I look very different, like I don't usually wear makeup, I'm not very
I've seen
done
that
up.
shoot. Yeah.
But that shoot is very, I look different, I don't look like myself and I acknowledge it. It
Yeah.
takes me also time to look
Yeah.
at me like अच्छा shit ये मैं हूँ.
Yeah.
But people will write in that ये क्या कर लिया है, like, and the comments are funny to me and I was like wow, I'm loving your opinion but I love the fact that there are people out there who actually write really well. Like I appreciate that they are trying to guide me.
Yeah.
Like they will be like, oh, this is not the greatest work. They won't be like, achhe. There are people who are straight out hate, but there are people who come across as concern. Be like, oh, I think you are going out of your traditional style and it's not good. ठीक है, nice, you're writing it well. Thank you for your opinion. But जो लोग blatantly hate देते ना, मेरे को इतनी हंसी आती है. And then they'll tag other creators कि you should look at this person's shoot for the same product. And I'm like, okay, thank you. But I have friends who really get bothered. I have one friend who, like, I have to tell her all the time, please don't read.
Yeah.
But she actually sits and replies. She really gets bothered by, like, men who comment.
Wow.
Because, like, I know I'm putting myself out there. I know that there are, like, everybody's going to objectify.
So
Like,
it is like if you be that person, like if you be on social media and if you be out there, you are exposing yourself.
I
Because-
agree.
and वो आना ही है with the
हाँ.
fame and with everything you get that, but that is the way it should be. I
हाँ.
mean it is. It should
Yeah.
be नहीं, वो है ही वैसा ही
But
है.
मेरे को इतना डर, like there are people, I mean, see, for me this is not my job.
Yeah, I
Like
know.
I do it out of
Yeah,
fun. I
yeah.
do it because I enjoy it.
Yeah, you never
मेरा
planned it, but yeah, it happened.
exactly.
Yeah.
So I don't think I take it seriously, but I see friends who's like it is affecting them so
Yeah.
deeply and I feel bad.
Yeah.
Like I think that, so it took me very long to go public. I was a private account. मैंने Label Sugar का ही shoot किया था. Till then I was a private account.
Oh.
Which was I think
Last-
either 2021 summer
Oh.
Of-
2 years from now.
I think हाँ ऐसे जून जुलाई जो भी I think monsoon summer 2021 में with it was like for very long I'd been planning a shoot with Sayukta because I've known her for a while
Yeah.
but मैं कभी इधर थी नहीं so finally it worked out and that's when I was like ठीक है यार might as well see other brands
Let's
like
try
it's
it
fun something to do in Ahmedabad in COVID घर पे बैठे
तो
बैठे
कर
like
लिया,
more,
और
so I went public so it was like and I met a lot of great people through it and today I think my biggest struggle moving back was not relating to people that I have been friends with my entire life. They're still dear friends to me but I don't think I relate to them as much anymore.
Shit, I connect
You
with
know?
you, yeah.
So it was about finding this new circle which thanks to Instagram I did. Like I found everybody that I hang out with on a daily is people that I met through shoots, through other content, through brands and I appreciate it because they are my core group today.
Yeah, fair, makes sense.
Like I have friends that I've grown up with but you grow with some people and you grow into some people.
Makes sense.
So
Deep shit.
yeah. Next t-shirt.
Sounds good. Fair.
Yeah.
मेरे को अभी देखना पड़ेगा और क्या पूछना.
हाँ हाँ.
So I had this speech thing in AMA, ठीक है? And
Oh nice.
Yeah, I gave ऐसा 200 लोगों
Entrepreneurship.
के. Yeah. नहीं वैसा नहीं था but मेरे को बुलाया था ISAC if you know.
Yeah.
They organized some
हाँ.
TED talk kind of thing and they invited me and I was there.
Nice.
तो it was my first time. तो मैंने वो लिस्ट प्रिपेयर किया था कि क्या क्या बोलना है. तो मैं एक टॉपिक बोला और फिर मेरे को पता नहीं क्या बोलना है. तो आई लिटरली सेड ये टॉपिक हो गया अभी रुक जाओ. and they all laughed. It was good. I mean, experience was mad.
Yeah, it's like I feel, I mean मैंने नहीं किया है, but I remember being in college and ये लोग जो, it's like sitting in an auditorium with all these kids looking at you,
Yeah.
and it's like it is pressure. Like I don't think.
Man, first 5 minutes I was shivering.
हाँ, like I am like I talk a lot. ये मेरे को बहुत
Yeah.
लोगों ने बोला है, मुझे पता है. I know I have a problem. But I feel like when it comes to public speaking, even I feel like I need to be prepared. Even though मैं end में follow नहीं करूँगी, but इतना it's the anxiety of it.
I was zero prepared.
Yeah. मैं ऐसे pointers लिखती हूँ कभी कभी.
मेरे को उन्होंने बोला कि आप क्या बोलने वाले हो, कुछ बताओ ये सब. My spot name was anything and everything.
Nice.
Because I didn't know what I'm going to
Yeah.
talk about. और मैंने 10-15 मिनट बात किया, सेट कि मेरा हो गया, अभी आप क्वेश्चन पूछो. Because that is how I'll bring maximum value to you.
Yeah,
guys.
exactly.
It's better to answer your questions rather than me talking something that you really don't want to listen.
Yeah. What kind of questions do you get?
Many different ones. कि
Like
brand
most
का नाम
interesting.
क्या रखा है, ब्रांड का नाम कैसे रखा, जो मेरे को बहुत मिलता है. How do you analyze your work? It was very deep thing. How do you do inventory management? मतलब था, मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था. मेरे को तो
सच्ची?
लगा ही नहीं कोई पूछेगा.
I mean, वो लोग पढ़ रहे हैं ना, they I guess they're
हाँ,
all.
नहीं because there was a time where लोग होता है ना यार कि यार they are scared even to ask questions because it's in front of many people.
हाँ, I feel like वो स्कूल में ज़्यादा होता है, कॉलेज में कम होता है, because स्कूल में you know everybody.
Yeah.
कॉलेज में बहुत ऐसे तो सब जानते नहीं है, and
हाँ.
people have, I think.
हाँ, this was an auditorium जहाँ actually सब अलग अलग
Exactly,
थे.
and I think after a certain age, like I think after second year college, like
You-
मैंने
you open up a
4 साल कोर्स किया, so I would say halfway through college, you realize that it doesn't matter what everyone thinks. मेरे को करने दो जो मेरे को करना है.
Yeah.
Like let me get value.
Yeah.
You're spending so much money on this
Yeah.
bloody education.
Yeah.
You just learn to get any kind of value out of it.
How to build personal brand, ये सब पूछा, मतलब मजा आ गया.
And you're also then, I think when you're towards that side of college, you're thinking about, oh shit, what after? So it's very, like that's when I think the kids who show up for these talks जो optional होते हैं are only that. First,
Yeah.
second year नहीं आते, उनको पार्टी करना
हाँ,
होता है.
वो अरे but it was crazy that majorly सबका question ये related था कि how to start, how to face the fear of failure before starting and all that. It was very deep. I answered them. मतलब I told them how
How
to
do
and all
you
that.
face
Sorry?
how do you face the
Fear of
possible the fear of failure?
It is very easy for me. It is the way मैंने उनको जो बोला था, get an idol or get a person that you look up to. एक fix कर लो. एक entrepreneur or any person who is famous, who is rich compulsory है, जिसने बहुत काम किया है, जिसने बहुत पैसा कमाया है, उसको फॉलो करो, जो कंटेंट बहुत बना रहा है, ठीक है, जो पॉडकास्ट और सब बहुत कर रहा है. हर दिन आधा 1 घंटा सिर्फ उसको सुनो, उसकी जो मेंटालिटी है ना वो अपने आप आ जाएगी. आई लिसन टू एंड्रू टेट एंड गैरी वी.
Yeah.
आई टेक द बेस्ट पार्ट्स आउट ऑफ देम एंड नाउ आई एम दिस गाय.
Nice.
क्योंकि तुम्हारे फॉर अ फैक्ट तुम्हारे आजू बाजू वैसे कोई नहीं होने वाला. बहुत रेयरली ऐसा होगा जो तुमको बता पाएगा भाई क्या करना है आगे. फेयर.
Yeah.
हाँ, सो बेटर इज टू opt for a person who is actually super successful and rich. उसको सुनते रहो. मैं टिल डेट आई गिव एटलीस्ट एन आवर 2 घंटा भी हो जाता है, मैं सिर्फ इनको ही सुनता हूँ.
Interesting. So, like this would work for me.
Yeah.
Yes, because I know that I have an impressionable personality. Like even if I spend like an hour with somebody and come home, my mom knows who I spend time with because of the way I talk. So she knows. अच्छा
कि
ये
कहीं
इसके
तो
साथ
और-
like she knows according
Fair.
to the certain words I use. उनको पता है like, and it's a very funny, and this is something that I have noticed about myself, that when I hang out with certain friend groups, even it can be just an hour, but for the next few hours
थोड़ा माइंड शिफ्ट.
वो हाँ मतलब मेरा
इवन द एक्शंस.
it's also the like अभी हम हिंदी में बात कर रहे
Yeah, true.
हैं right, so for and I with most of my friends talk in Hindi, but जो भी मेरे बचपन के दोस्त है वो सब गुजराती है. So when I come home from being with all of them,
Yeah.
automatically Gujarati is the first thing that comes out of my mouth. And
Are you good at Gujarati?
yeah, Gujarati is good. People are surprised that I'm not Gujarati. I mean,
Okay.
I'm not Gujarati, but I grew up here, तो मेरे को obviously आती है.
नहीं, I grew up here as well.
और मेरे सारे दोस्त गुजराती है ना,
गुजराती
मेरे सारे दोस्त गुजराती है,
makes sense.
सो इट वाज लाइक बचपन में ही सीख लिया था. प्लस मैं माउंट कार्मल में थी जो 90% गुजराती है,
Oh.
आई थिंक सो. एटलीस्ट मतलब लगता था स्कूल में थे तो सब गुजराती में बात करते थे. तो मेरी सो आई ग्रू अप थिंकिंग माई गुजराती वॉज नॉट गुड बिकॉज ऑल माई फ्रेंड्स आर गुजराती एंड मेड फन ऑफ माई लैंग्वेज. बट नाउ दैट आई हैव मोर हिंदी स्पीकिंग फ्रेंड्स, दे आर ऑल अमेज्ड व्हेन दे लुक एट मी, लाइक यू आर नॉट गुजराती, लाइक how? So now my confidence in my Gujarati is much higher than it was like 2 years ago.
Yeah, fair.
But like I feel like, and there are people who are too set. Like if I have to take for example my sister, she's too
what?
like मतलब उनका personality mentality बहुत set होता है, तो when
Set
see for them it doesn't work this like listening to people and adapting. It's I mean for you've done it for years now.
Yeah, that's right.
Exactly, but for मेरे लिए like this works
Oh, it
because
is
it's
that
that
quick.
quick for me.
It
Like
is
my
a switch.
mentality should, and it's a I think it's a negative trait. I personally think it's a negative trait because I
understand,
also
I
adapt
understand.
bad. Like I also, if I hang out with, if somebody plants an idea that's overthinking and I know that in my head I know that this is not true, but मेरे को कोई ऐसा बोलेगा कि oh this person said this, तो मेरे दिमाग में वो इतना जल्दी it's like fire, it's like wildfire, and like I know I'm convincing myself constantly कि ये true नहीं है, like this person is fucking with me.
But फिर भी वो चलता रहेगा. Constant thoughts.
Yeah, but it works. There is a positive aspect to it too. But I think I notice it more in my personality when it's negative. I'm like, this is wrong. I need to fix this. ये क्या बकवास हो रहा है मेरे साथ?
Fair. हाँ मतलब it's actually I cannot take it that easily. मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा consume करना पड़ता है
हाँ.
content.
हाँ.
Then I can shift my mentality that
हाँ.
way.
Yeah.
Fair.
Like but yeah, for me it's bad. Like and I think screen time really affects me.
Fuck, मेरे को
Like
बहुत issue है उसका तो. My screen time is bad. What
my
is your
screen time is not bad. I don't think it's bad. Let's see.
Average कितना है?
I slept very late last night, so it's going to be high. But it's fine. We'll
Average
see.
देख लो.
Let's see. Weekly, not bad. 5 hours 42 minutes. That's really not bad.
Very good.
That's really not
मेरा
bad.
8 घंटा है.
And the my funniest thing is my 3 hours 19 minutes are just travel apps. So
As in maps?
nahin, like I guess maps, Airbnb.
Wow.
Like I'm planning a trip right now, so I think mainly वो ही चीज़ चल रही है. And my 2 hours 40 minutes is games. I play Sudoku a lot, which is so bad. I can't even. It's so bad. और फिर मैं सोने जाती हूँ ना, तो मेरे दिमाग में वो puzzle ही चलता है. And it's like, yeah, it's not fun.
Sick. Fair. So what else are you doing right now other than modeling and content creation and all?
You know, I wish I was modeling more. Because I think I travel a lot. तो मेरे को people don't approach me or things like that because they
उनको
assume
पता
कि
नहीं आपके
मैं है ही
environment,
नहीं.
हाँ,
Like I'm not here. So I think because I think I discover new brands through it, and I really appreciate them. Like brands that I wouldn't usually try. Like there are brands that I've worked with that have become my staples
Wow.
just from that. But like I probably wouldn't have come across them because they're smaller,
Right.
and I appreciate smaller brands in general. Like I think big brands sometimes can be very problematic. So like Zara, like we talk,
alright.
yeah, things like that. But so I enjoy the smaller brands and local. Ahmedabad has so much happening. For me, the change is coming back and saying, oh shit, ये भी हो रहा है.
Yeah.
Like I didn't grow up in this city that did all of
I
this.
get that a lot कि भाई अहमदाबाद में क्या shift हो रहा है?
That's why when you opened the store, I'm
Yeah.
like, I was impressed. I was like, shit, like look at this place. It's
Yeah.
so nice. This
Yeah.
aesthetic. People are learning to appreciate design,
Yeah.
and I'm so satisfied by it because I feel like, especially with textile, Ahmedabad has always been the center, and
Yeah,
finally it's coming back.
Back.
सब लोग इधर करके बाहर ले जा रहे थे, बॉम्बे, दिल्ली,
True.
बट अभी सबने सीखा है कि नहीं, मार्केट इधर है, पैसे इधर है, स्पेंडिंग कैपेसिटी इधर है.
Yeah, true.
So I'm like so happy with it. Like I have something to do when I'm here.
It's like after you'll see even a bigger shift in next 6 to 8 months
Hopefully.
for sure.
Yeah. So I started
I can
spending.
see the trend and all that change.
I mean, yeah, you see it.
Yeah,
So.
तो 6-8 महीने मेरे को पता है कि अलग ही हो जाएगा अहमदाबाद.
Yeah. So I mean, मेरे को थोड़ा saturation हो जाता है अहमदाबाद में, but my saturation is usually with society, not with the city. But वो तो होता है because I've lived here, family इधर है, parents, friends, stuff like that. But I started spending a lot of time in Goa. So my mom is Goan. So I have always spent a lot of time there, but now I spend, I would say, I try to spend between 3 to 5 months in Goa in the year. मेरे इस साल 4 महीने हो गए हैं. I do not go in season,
But do you
but
like
this year
it?
I have. I love Goa. I absolutely love Goa. It's
I
a
told you
slower
I haven't
life.
been there, right?
I know. We should plan a trip
Yeah.
actually. I think I should become a Goa guide. मेरे को मतलब twice a month, thrice a month तो मैसेज मिल ही जाता है. Hey दिया, I'm going to Goa. Please send me suggestions. मतलब मैं बन जाती हूँ.
South Goa, North Goa.
I live in the south, so I live like right below the airport, so it's kind of mid. So मेरे को सब दूर. So the south has better beaches, better life, but north में party होता है ज़्यादा. So it depends on the person you are. I think I've outgrown my party phase. I'm on the other side of the 20s now. So अब मेरे से दो.
Too soon.
हाँ नहीं, पर मेरे को तुम बोलोगे ना Friday Saturday, no, you pick one bro. दोनों नहीं होगा.
Yeah, for sure. Makes sense.
So I love Goa and my dad has started some work in Goa and मैंने पूरी ज़िंदगी बोला था मैं फैमिली विजिट्स में नहीं जाऊँगी. And उन्होंने धीरे धीरे मेरे को like it was actually very smart of him now that I think about it. मेरे को कभी बोला नहीं था ये करो. मेरे को बस
धीरे खुद से ही हो गया.
मतलब मैं गोवा में थी, प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा था, देखना है साइट, ऐसा हो गया. एंड देन ही नोज दैट आई लव डिज़ाइन एंड नाउ ही इज़ डूइंग विलास इन गोवा. तो मैं ओरिजिनली कॉलेज इंटीरियर आर्किटेक्चर के लिए गई थी एंड देन आई स्विच टू प्रिंट मीडिया एंड लाइक आर्ट्स एडमिन क्यूरेशन साइड बिकॉज आई एन्जॉय दैट ऑल्सो अ लॉट. Also there's too much math involved in architecture जो मेरे से नहीं हो रहा था. So I was like ये इतने measurements मेरे से नहीं होंगे, ये easier है. So I enjoy it. And India में क्या होता है, you don't have to do, मतलब everybody hires someone to do the AutoCAD side. So I sit with the guy and like it's easier. हाँ मतलब practical. And I think in any industry you learn more in practicality. Like you were also saying about the brand
100%.
design में.
मैंने थोड़ी पढ़ी है. I have not done fashion.
Exactly. But I think you, in anything in the world, I think you learn a lot more in day-to-day practicality than you learn by studying in a college book में. क्या ही तुम सीखोगे?
12th के बाद book touch नहीं किया है. Yeah, I mean my bachelor's is when एक्चुअली वो इंटरनेट और सब प्रॉपर ऑनलाइन सब चालू हो गया था. तो मैंने सब ऑनलाइन ही पढ़ा. एग्ज़ाम भी ऑनलाइन
दिया,
देते थे वहाँ जाके. बट इट वाज ठीक है.
हाँ
टिल 12th आई वाज प्रॉपर ऐसा स्टूडियस.
Really?
या 10th था स्कोर 86 88 which is very good for me. 12th में 78.
But what board were you in? Like गुजरात बोर्ड. हाँ तो गुजरात में
12th CBSE था. मेरे को याद नहीं है एक्चुअली.
बोर्ड नहीं याद.
मतलब इट वाज 2 बुक्स. हमारा स्कूल ऐसा था जहाँ गुजरात बोर्ड भी था और CBSE
हाँ
बुक्स
पर
भी था.
व्हाट वर यू डूइंग ना, यू कांट गिव बोर्ड्स इन बोथ. बोर्ड्स तो तुम एक ही में दोगे.
हाँ मैंने गुजरात बोर्ड दिया.
हाँ ठीक है. सो गुजरात बोर्ड में एक्चुअली परसेंटेज इज डिफिकल्ट टू गेट. वो परसेंटाइल बताते हैं ज़्यादा परसेंटेज से, क्योंकि आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड उनका मार्क्स सिस्टम.
और 12th के बाद तो पता नहीं क्या हुआ प्रिंस को. पढ़ाई से कोई लेना देना नहीं.
अच्छी बात है यार.
इसलिए यहाँ आ गए.
बट नो लाइक
Yeah, I mean
it's always the end. Yeah, the journey.
fair. So you love traveling.
Yeah.
What is your favorite destination that you've been and the next that you want to go to?
That I've been to. So I think my favorite. This is difficult.
बहुत
मेरा
सारे
एक गोल है जो आई फील लाइक मैं बताऊंगी तो थोड़ा जिंक्स होगा, बट आई ऑलरेडी थिंक नहीं होने वाला है, तो बोल ही देते हैं हम. आई हैड अ गोल टू डू 30 कंट्रीज बिफोर आई टर्न 30,
Okay.
जो मैंने कर लिया है. बट मैंने बहुत पहले कर लिया था. लाइक आई डिड इट आई थिंक बाय द टाइम आई वाज 21 मैंने कर लिया था. सो आई वाज लाइक 60 कंट्रीज करेंगे 30 से पहले. सो आई थिंक आई एम एट 35 36 ऐसा कहीं पहुंच गई हूँ मैं. आई हैव अ
old are you?
लिस्ट. हाउ ओल्ड एम आई? आई एम 25.
सही सच्ची.
हाँ.
5 साल में 25 कंट्री. मैं आधी नहीं घूम पा रहा हूँ.
मेरा 37 हुआ है. मेरा 37 हुआ है. सो आई हैव लाइक बट आई वाज लाइक इन 5 years डूइंग लाइक 23. Maths is not good. 23 is difficult, especially because मैंने actually last 2 साल बहुत procrastinate किया है काम. Like actually काम procrastinate किया है because I feel like it's a commitment issue कि if I start like मेरे को खुद का कुछ करना है. If I start a studio then I have to be here. Then I can't get up and
I know.
yeah, exactly.
I know.
Then I can't get up and leave. So मैंने हर बार बोला है कि next year चालू करेंगे. Which is why this Goa thing worked out so well for me because it was like not full responsibility but enough
But calm
responsibility to
Hmm.
not just sit at home. Types.
But you didn't answer the question.
Sorry.
Your favorite.
Oh, my favorite destination. I think my best trip I've ever been on was Guatemala. I went.
वो कहाँ है?
It's like Central America.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Central. So Mexico के नीचे आता है. Belize, Mexico, Guatemala. Mexico.
I'm very bad at geography.
हाँ, it's okay. मैं मैप पे दिखा दूँगी इसके बाद. But it's because I have a but Guatemala is very similar. Like it's like India. तुम इंडिया ऐसे रैंडम एक्चुअली इंडिया भी थोड़ा बेटर हो गया है बट तुम 20 साल पहले अहमदाबाद रैंडमली आओ तो देयर इज नथिंग टू डू इफ यू डोंट नो समवन बट आई हैड अ वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड इन कॉलेज हु इज फ्रॉम Guatemala तो मैं उसके साथ गई थी लाइक वापस एंड आई थिंक इट वाज द बेस्ट टाइम ऑफ माई लाइफ बिकॉज आई वॉज विथ हर एक लोकल था मेरे पास लाइक इट्स सो मच इट्स ऑल्सो फुल्ली स्पेनिश स्पीकिंग कंट्री तो क्या ही करोगे तुम सो it was the most insane trip of my life. I was there for 2 weeks and I was like मेरे को और रहना है and कुछ like it's a very small country I think that I would say like गुजरात में तुम 2 सिटी ले लो उतना साइज का कंट्री है वो
Oh, okay.
बहुत छोटा है it's not big at all but it was insane. I did Guatemala and Belize in one trip but it was the highlight of my life. I don't think anything will ever top it.
Wow.
It's one of those trips.
So what are you planning next? Like which city, which country?
I'm going to London but like that's I don't
वहाँ जाके
count.
आओगे पहले तो.
हाँ मेरी बहन वहाँ पे पढ़ रही है
Okay.
so I'm going for it's her 21st birthday so I'm
Which
going.
university?
She is in her placement here so she's working in London but she's at Loughborough.
Oh, okay.
Otherwise,
That's a good
yeah.
one.
Yeah, so she's in London right now but it's her birthday so I'm doing London and London maybe Amsterdam depending on her visa and then Italy. Mine na?
What?
Let's see.
This
I'm
is not traveling, but okay, okay, fair.
But I see London I don't count because right now I have family in London. So for me when I say travel, it's like
Constant just going out.
no, it's discovering.
Yeah.
Like I don't and I like to
Actually,
travel.
your trips are bigger, like longer.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Because I like to travel. I don't go with I go with a basic
party करने नहीं
itinerary.
जाते हो?
नहीं
हम
बिल्कुल
जाते हैं सिर्फ party करने
नहीं
जाते हैं।
नहीं मतलब मैं अभी I was in Europe for 2 months. I went like March, April. It was great because I did new things. I've never been skiing. I have a friend who goes skiing every year and she invited me on like her family trip. तो मैं उसके साथ गई थी and I learned like I went snowboarding. बहुत गिरी बहुत लगा but चलेगा बहुत मज़े आया एंड में सीख लिया types.
Wow.
And then she and I did France together and I've never been to France before so it was great and she had been.
Some crazy experiences.
हाँ,
ठीक है.
so I mean yeah I don't know I don't think I do think that my favorite destination ever
That you still haven't visited
haven't been to
is-
I feel like I'd love I don't know man I've not been
Have you been to Tomorrowland?
no it's not my vibe मैं
Oh,
नहीं
okay,
हूँ
हाँ,
like
तुम-
I'm not a so I had a party girl phase so when my like school friends meet me they're like क्या हो गया तेरे को like ये क्या हुआ था like what the hell happened or like first year second year वाले जो college friends they don't know like
This
they're like वो डरते हैं like नहीं नहीं हम बाहर नहीं जाएंगे तेरे साथ नहीं ऐसा नहीं होगा like I'm not allowed to order shots ये पता नहीं रात कहाँ end होगा but now I'm like 11 बज गए मैं घर जाऊँ like मेरा हो गया ऐसा so even I sometimes think क्या हो गया what went but it's when I got dogs responsibility आ गई ना so I stopped क्योंकि नहीं तो कॉलेज में क्या होता था कि तुम उठ के
Yeah.
फ्राइडे सैटरडे थर्सडे फ्राइडे को क्लास नहीं है चलो न्यूयॉर्क चले जाते हैं चलो कैंपिंग ट्रिप चले जाते हैं कुछ भी यू नो लाइक बट आई गॉट डॉग सो आई टू स्टार्ट प्लानिंग मेरे को अगर 2 हफ्ते में ट्रिप पे जाना है तो उससे पहले मेरे को प्लान करना है
Wow.
बट नहीं
Sick.
प्लस अमेरिका में कितना है देखने को सो इट वॉज सो ईजी टू जस्ट तुम चेक करो कहाँ की चीपेस्ट टिकट मिल रही है निकल जाओ
निकल जाओ.
आई टू प्लान माई क्लासेस लाइक दैट जब
Long weekends होता है तब तो बहुत.
long but I literally मेरा पूरा my after first year everything was a long weekend because I used to plan my classes like that मैं
Oh,
मंडे
okay.
को क्लास नहीं लेती थी और मैं फ्राइडे को सिर्फ मॉर्निंग लेती थी but I used to try fitting like I used to have classes 9 to 9 Tuesday Wednesday Thursday and then I used to take Friday Saturday Sunday Monday छुट्टी like I used to literally plan my classes like that so I get to travel and then on the flight I'd be doing homework airport पे बैठे बैठे train में homework like that's how I managed बट इट वाज
That's-
एटलीस्ट आई गॉट टू सी वॉट एवर आई
That is
वांटेड टू
sick.
सी. तो भी मैंने नेशनल पार्क नहीं किए यूएस में.
क्या नहीं किया?
नेशनल पार्क जो सब जाते हैं ना, येलो स्टोन वो
Oh,
सब,
I know, I
वो
know.
मैंने नहीं किया.
Okay.
वो लाइक दैट्स आई थिंक व्हाट पीपल गो टू द यूएस फॉर. तुम येलो स्टोन करो, नायग्रा फॉल्स करो.
हाँ मैं नाइग्रा फॉल्स गया.
हाँ, वो सब नहीं किया मैंने. लाइक आई डिड स्मॉल प्लेसेस क्लोज टू.
You discovered basically.
हाँ, आई थिंक आई लाइक इवन इन गोवा में वही करती हूँ. लाइक सपोज कोई फ्रेंड ना हो, आई टेक द कार, आई ड्राइव, फाइंड लाइक नाइस लाइक वाटर, रैंडमली वहाँ पे वाटरफॉल्स मिल जाती है सर्टन सीजन्स में.
So you pinned those places?
मेरे को पता है.
अच्छा.
लाइक
Next time मेरे को बता.
I'm-
मैं जाऊँगा
I-
उसके पहले आपको बता.
I know that Instagram era is all about no gatekeeping, but I gatekeep. I mean, depends. Like there are certain places that I wouldn't recommend because I don't think they're safe, and I don't want people to be like तूने बोला था और फिर ये हो गया, तो मैं नहीं बताती हूँ.
Plus, it's good that you don't post much about those places.
I post small businesses a lot.
नहीं
like हाँ,
क्योंकि अब ऐसा देखा है ना, वो इतना ब्यूटीफुल छोटा सा स्पेस होता है. They put up a reel,
हाँ.
next day खत्म.
But वही ना, Kola Beach in Goa is this. Okay, it was a beautiful beach when I was growing up.
Okay.
मेरे को नहीं अच्छा लगता बचपन में बिकॉज इट्स लाइक अ बीच दैट गोज इनटू अ बे. तो मतलब ऐसे यहाँ तक बहुत ही मतलब स्ट्रॉन्ग टाइड है, बट उसमें ना देयर इज अ माउंड, तो पीछे के साइड में पानी भर जाता है, तो एकदम काम है वो.
समझा.
सो पीपल यूज्ड टू गो देयर विद किड्स बिकॉज यू कैन गो इनटू द ओशन, बट दिस बे इज स्टिल वाटर. देयर वर फ्यू रील्स अबाउट कायाकिंग एंड कोवा बीच दैट वेंट वायरल, क्योंकि 100 रुपये में वहाँ पे कायाकिंग देते हैं. बट आई एम नॉट किडिंग. तुम्हारे ये स्टोर है ना, इसका डबल साइज का पूरा पानी है वो. वो ऐसे स्विमिंग पूल में कायाकिंग कर रहे थे वैसा है. पर वहाँ पे क्या भीड़ है आजकल. लाइक लिटरली तुमको लाइम सोडा वहाँ पे लोग 250-300 रुपये में बेच रहे हैं, विच इन लाइक आई नो दैट दैट्स अहमदाबाद प्राइसेस, बॉम्बे प्राइस, बट इन गोवा तुमको बियर भी 100 रुपये में मिलता है.
Yeah.
सो इट्स लाइक, बट इट्स बिकॉज इट गॉट कमर्शलाइज एंड इट्स डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज यू हैव टू वॉक पूरा डाउन. इट्स नॉट लाइक गाड़ी लेके तुम, इट्स अ डिफिकल्ट प्लेस टू गेट टू. लाइक कोला, हाँ, exactly, it's like Kola Beach and Butterfly Beach. They were beautiful when I was growing up, and now I'm like, I still like Butterfly, but season होता है जाने में.
बटरफ्लाई बीच का नाम है.
So जब हम छोटे थे, the cliff of Butterfly Beach पे सिर्फ butterflies दिखते थे. So if you came ऊपर से, it was scary. मेरे को नहीं अच्छा लगता बचपन में से हर जगह they're touching you. But now at this age I probably appreciate it. But as a kid they're all insects. You don't want this stuff. Yeah, मतलब so evening time पे क्या होता है, इंसेक्ट्स निकलते हैं. सो इट वॉज ऑलवेज फुल ऑफ बटरफ्लाइज. दैट्स व्हाई इट वॉज कॉल्ड बटरफ्लाई बीच. दो मैंने, आई ओनली सीन इट वंस लाइक दैट विद बटरफ्लाइज, एंड देन आई हैव बीन टोल्ड कि हमेशा ऐसा होता था. बट नाउ इट्स ब्यूटिफुल. It's
crowded.
It's pure blue. Like I posted a picture of it and someone's like, "Oh, you've gone. Where are you? This is like, where in the world are you now?" I said, "मैं गोवा में हूँ." नहीं ये lies है, तुम false advertising. I was like, "No, dude. Like this is literally Goa. It's just that nobody goes that far." And वहाँ पे भी you have to like drive ऐसे गंदे रास्ते पे for like 2 kilometers, then walk a kilometer to get to the beach and then go. So थोड़ा difficult है. But still it's crowded now, despite that.
Social media.
Yeah, it is. There is a power in social media.
For sure. I know.
Like, yeah, for you, there is a great power in social
Yeah.
media. But I feel like people really abuse it also.
Both the ways. I mean,
Both ways.
power is, yeah, both the ways.
Yeah.
So, what is your favorite movie? I know it is out of nowhere, but
Oh,
yeah, kitni sari favorite.
No, no.
What is your favorite genre of movies? Genre.
genre. So I think my all-time favorite movie in the world, Bollywood, is Dil Chahta Hai.
Beautiful. Okay.
I can.
Fair,
तुम मेरे को रात को भी 2 बजे उठा के बोलो दिल चाहता है देख लो, मैं देख लूँगी.
Fair.
Like it's one of those. It's my comfort movie.
क्योंकि गोवा बताता है.
So नहीं, but no, and this is what everyone says to me, okay?
Okay.
But दिल चाहता है कि बस सबको यही याद है गोवा ट्रिप. But you know that like the movie के पहले हाफ में सब गोवा ट्रिप खत्म हो जाता है. But the movie is like 2 hours after that. Exactly. But सबको ये like when you look back at the movie,
The actual.
तुम्हारे
life
दिमाग में
of-
वो ही रहता है.
Yeah, the actual life after teenage thing. they show
Exactly.
that.
But तुमको यही याद रहता है. It's one of and it's amazing to me. Like if there are people who've not watched दिल चाहता है in the last decade, तुम पूछो what's the movie about? अरे वो 3 दोस्त गोवा गए थे ना. And I'm like, there's so much in that movie. How have you taken only this out of it?
I know.
It's like about relationships, friendships. There's so much happening.
A lot.
And I think they did a great job with Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara after
Yeah.
it. But I will take this moment to advertise this another movie. So in Hollywood, I think my favorite movie is called Across the Universe.
I have no idea.
Exactly, nobody's heard of it
Acha.
because it flopped when it
Okay,
came out.
okay.
IMDb rating is really bad,
Mm.
but I have
Across the?
Across the Universe.
Got it.
It's like so. No, it's life.
Okay.
It's one of those. It's a so. My boyfriend had also not heard of it, and I forced him to watch it. Like literally after 2 years of being together, I'm like ये तो तुमको देखना ही पड़ेगा. मैं DVD खरीद के लाई, because वो कोई streaming platform पे नहीं है.
Oh.
And I didn't want to download it because I don't know how to, but not because of anything else. So I bought, like, my dad had the Blu-ray, जो पता नहीं. So I went and found another Blu-ray, bought it. Then किसी के पास CD player भी नहीं है,
Oh, shit.
so I had to find one. Watched it, and he loved it at the end of it. It's basically a movie. जैसे you know how Mamma Mia, जो सुना है? Okay, so it's basically, I grew up. My dad's a big Beatles fan. I grew up because I was in boarding school. My exposure to pop culture was very low. So मैंने जो भी pop culture exposure लिया है वो मैंने gap लिया था 12th और college के बीच में. मैंने वो 1 साल में सब binge किया है. मतलब 10 season Friends के, पूरा Game of Thrones, जो भी relevant था मैंने सब कुछ, न्यू गर्ल, नेम इट, बिग बैंग थियोरी, मैंने सब कुछ वो 1 साल में बिंज किया. बिकॉज आई फेल्ट दैट कॉन्वर्जेशन में मेरे, लाइक, आई वॉज नॉट रेलिवेंट बिकॉज मेरे को कुछ नहीं पता था. स्कूल में कुछ मीडिया नहीं था मेरे पास, फोन नहीं था, लैपटॉप नहीं था, सो आई जस्ट डिडंट नो. एग्जैक्टली, सो आई डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड. सो मैंने सब बिंज किया था. एंड अक्रॉस द यूनिवर्स वाज समथिंग आई हैड सीन बिफोर स्कूल, but
Is it a movie or
it is a movie, but it is, so it's built around the Beatles songs.
Got it.
So it's beautiful because they've taken already existing music, covered the music, and built an entire storyline out of it. Even though the music was not originally written like that.
Got it.
So and like, you know, when you read the write-up, I think it sounds like a rom-com because there is a romance in it.
समझा.
And I feel like write-ups always make this mistake of using only one aspect of the movie to advertise it. But
नहीं,
it's
but it sounded like that across.
yeah, it does. And उसका cover भी ऐसा है that it looks like a rom-com, ऐसे heart में 2 लोग हैं. But it's about this guy who leaves to discover himself in the middle of a war. So he didn't, जब वर्ल्ड वॉर में जब सबको enlist किया जा रहा था, वो निकल गया था, वो अमेरिका चला गया था UK से. And how his journey, वो मतलब किसी, like, he made a friend, उसके घर पे रह गया, फिर they,
समझा,
like,
हाँ.
and then whatever. So it's one of those like life movies.
समझा.
And like full circle life. It's one, and it's beautiful. So this weekend I'm making my
Journey.
other friends watch it.
Best.
हमारा प्लान चल रहा है.
ताकि फिर उसके बारे में डिस्कस कर पाओ.
It's, yeah, and I feel so bad that its rating is not good.
Okay, that way. Yeah.
No, I mean because क्या होता है, today if I recommend a movie to you, your automatic thing is to Google it. तुम देखोगे Rotten Tomato, IMDb. उसका IMDb बहुत low है, like 4 point something है.
Okay, that
Maybe
is
even low. I don't know how much it is, but it's not good. But everybody who watches it is like, but why? It's such a good movie, and it's beautifully made. It's shot really well. Cinematography is great. So just things like that. But yeah, I think, yeah, those are my 2, Hollywood, Bollywood.
And your music type, like what kind of music do you listen to? Everything.
I am the worst. No, I don't listen to everything. I cannot listen to things that do not have lyrics. I have a big, like, I cannot.
Got it.
तुम मेरे को,
Perfect.
that's why Tomorrowland, I'm like, ये मेरा, मैं
नहीं, वहाँ
like,
lyrics होते हैं.
मतलब होते हैं but
कम होता है.
कम
Commercial
होते हैं.
song,
Like
yeah.
it's like
You don't
how
like
many
techno and
sets?
shit?
No.
Perfect.
No
Amazing.
EDM, no
Thank
techno,
you.
nothing with नहीं. I get annoyed.
Got it.
Yeah, I think I've recently been enjoying a lot of indie music, like
Underground indie music. शायद.
no, not underground, but like
हिंदी?
local train Hindi, yeah,
हाँ,
local.
समझ
ये
गया.
जो अभी I think बहुत चल भी रहा है, but I've been enjoying it for a. So I think I did this in the English genre when I was in college, and then when I came back, I discovered that like my dad is big into music, so a lot of my influence comes from him, and he is classic old rock. So and like just he never left the 70s in his head. So he's Beatles, Eagles, Pink Floyd, Doors. Like so, you can play like 3 lines of a song and I'll tell you, because that's how much I've listened to it growing up.
Oh, okay.
Even today when I'm in Goa, I pick nights. I don't pick the hip hop night. I pick the throwback nights,
Wow.
like to go to,
Okay.
because I enjoy that music. It's what I grew up on. I think in new artists, I'm very mainstream with my music. I love Ed Sheeran. I'll drop anything to go watch him.
Wow.
It's the best. Like he is one of my favorite artists. I think his music is soulful and it means a lot. And I think meaning matters to me in music, and I enjoy his music for that.
उसका काफी अच्छा
हाँ.
अच्छी है.
Yeah, so I don't care. I mean, beat, ठीक है, Dua Lipa and all are good, but if I have to pick like Coldplay, like सब मेरे को पूछते हैं, oh, if you to recommend one concert in your life, I was like, I'm the wrong person because I would pick Ed Sheeran, but I think as an experience, Coldplay is
100%.
like, there's nothing like experiencing a Coldplay concert because it's a performance. It's not the music you're going for. You're going for
The
the
lightings, the vibe, the people,
everything that they
everything.
do there.
Yeah.
It's crazy to me. It's a production.
Yeah.
It's not a concert.
Yeah.
Ed Sheeran is one man on a stage with a
gun.
gun.
कैसा लगता है? AP Dillon.
I like him. I'm not like I like him.
The music.
हाँ अभी तो with you बहुत सब I think is ruining
सब जगह
relationships
वही चल
worldwide. But yeah, I like him. My sister's she went to school in Delhi. She went to Pathways boarding school in Delhi. So she is super into Punjabi music.
तो फिर
So मतलब after a while I'm like bro मेरे को गाड़ी में ये नहीं चलेगा, पूरे दिन काम हुआ है, मेरे को अब chill करना है, ये नहीं चलेगा मेरे से. But I still think he has a good rhythm in his music. It's not like
I love his music.
yeah.
मतलब good music. और उसका अभी वो आया था ना documentary.
हाँ. So exactly. So I think everybody is picking up.
Yeah, after
His advertisement is amazing.
Amazing.
People are really learning how to use media, and it's amazing to me. I actually, when King had come to Ahmedabad to perform, I didn't know who King was. Okay,
Oh.
when he came, I didn't know. My boyfriend's college friend was the organizer for the concert, so it was like Jana, like we should go meet him. He didn't have time to meet afterwards, so we went. I had no idea. On the way to the concert, I opened his music to listen. And then I was like, oh, this is that real guy. But wait. And I mean, so Pratik had no idea because he's on no social media. We are like fully opposite. He has no social media and I live on social media.
Wow, same.
He's a Reddit boy, Twitter Reddit boy. So he had no context. So I was like, हाँ मेरे को एक song पता है, 2 song पता है, कर लेंगे हम. But I was amazed. King's stage presence was, I've been to concerts around the world, but his stage presence, I didn't know his music and I was enjoying his concert. I just watching him on stage was like he brought life.
Yeah.
And जो लोग पागल हो रहे थे, people were jumping
जो
like.
उसका नाम है किंग, वो actually stage पे वैसा है.
हाँ, I was shocked and like we thought हम 2 song देख के हम निकल जाएंगे, like we'll go meet.
But you stayed.
But I stayed, like I left like second last song because I didn't want to get stuck in traffic.
Yeah,
but I stayed for majority of the concert, and I was like, shit, like he really has.
Yeah.
And I mean, dude, big artists also don't have that kind of stage presence.
Yeah, I mean, नहीं वो Hustle, so he did a show called Hustle on MTV.
Okay.
हाँ, वहाँ वो second या third आया था. तो तब से I used to listen to his songs and whatever he did. तो वो एक rap show है.
Oh.
हाँ, तो वहाँ से he kicked off and then he launched couple
Yeah.
of songs. फिर reel पे it हुआ and all that.
He-
But he is a madman.
But I mean, ठीक है, his music, when you listen to it, some phone पे गाड़ी में सुनो, speaker पे सुनो, is ठीक है. It's like it's not great. It's like few songs are good. ठीक है, जो भी है. It's like you wouldn't, they wouldn't stay in your.
He knows how to make commercial music.
Yeah.
सब लोग सुन पाएंगे.
But few songs, not all. Like, but I think that's what you need in an album. 2-3 hit चले जाए.
वैसा ही होता है.
But I'm telling you that after watching that concert, I was like, shit, this man is amazing.
Yeah.
But it's because of his energy.
Yeah.
It's like, what are you on?
Mad.
Like, it's crazy. Like to watch him and he's, I mean, अब काफ़ी बड़ा हो गया था. This, I think I watched his concert last year or maybe very early this year जब भी आया था वो. And at the time at the time उसके 2 अच्छे सॉन्ग थे जो दोनों रील्स की वजह से बड़े हुए थे. अभी तो he's become bigger, he's doing another tour. At the time he only had I think 6-7 concerts का उसने tour sign किया था. And it was his first. But I've never seen, okay, I've never seen the way people were jumping. जो ऐसा barricade था ना, जो लोग कूद रहे थे. I was like कि क्या हो रहा है? Like this shit doesn't happen at like.
Ahmedabad was crazy for him. मतलब उसने दिखाया था वीडियो में कि भाई अहमदाबाद पागल शहर है.
And he said it like on stage तो सब बोलते हैं और ये best concert this city. बट बाद में मेरे ये फ्रेंड बोल रहा था कि लाइक इट वाज हिज फर्स्ट कॉन्सर्ट दैट ही वाज लाइक ऑर्गेनाइजिंग इन अहमदाबाद एंड ही वाज लाइक मेरे को नहीं थी एक्सपेक्टेशन. उनको वेन्यू फ्री में मिली थी इसलिए वो लोग आए थे. फॉर इन एक्सचेंज फॉर आई थिंक 3000 टिकट्स उनको वेन्यू मिली थी. उनको इस O7 क्लब पे इसलिए उन्होंने लिया था. एंड इट वाज लाइक डूड चंडीगढ़ एंड अहमदाबाद.
Back in December.
Yeah, but it was shocking to me. Like I've never seen a small art. I mean, small artists also I think put so much more into their concerts than bigger artists do. And गर्मी थी ब्रो. आई डोंट नो हाउ ही वाज डूइंग इट. वो इतना कूलर मेरे को मतलब उसके स्वेट दिख रही थी बट तो भी उसका एनर्जी नहीं गिर रहा था पूरे कॉन्सर्ट में. इट वाज नॉट लाइक ब्रेक लेके वापस आएगा. ही वाज लाइक देयर एंड हिज
Conversation with
with the audience, his interaction was very good.
Very good.
So I think you appreciate it when you go for a concert, and you yourself as an audience feel appreciated, which is why everyone says, "Arey, best concert." But for him, you could tell what was genuine in his, like his shock was also genuine. कि ये क्या हो रहा है अहमदाबाद? But it was great to see. I was very impressed.
So
yeah.
last couple of questions.
Yes, sure.
तो एक तो पहले फेवरेट एक्टर और एक्ट्रेसेस कौन है? एक्ट्रेस
Actor.
है कोई?
Bollywood, I love Deepika Padukone. Like I love her. I've loved her since she debuted.
Got it.
I do love her. I do like everyone's like everybody. I think this is an Alia phase right now. So I think everybody right now is like
Alia,
Kiara. I'm not a
I
fan.
love her.
I'm not a fan.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't think I've seen too much of her work to even make a comment. I think Alia's progression has been
वो
insane.
तो अलग level
Like
है.
from seeing her, like she has
वो
really.
तो अलग ही level है. Alia is.
I will commend her
Yeah.
that she really like.
नहीं अगर nepotism ऐसा है तो अच्छा है.
हाँ मतलब she has progressed insanely. Yeah, I think Alia like her progression, I think when she started off she got a lot of bad press, but I love how she turned the bad press. She did that video brain camp wala at the time and I thought that was so smart.
AIB.
I was like most people like take it negatively and like do so but she like really grew into it and it was so like her
She took a wealth.
yeah, like she knew how to take it and change it. Like her sense of humor was good about it. But I've always been a Deepika Padukone fan growing up.
She's hot.
She's and she has this charisma about her that she's not. She did Hollywood movies, but she's the one actress who has not put on an accent. I'll say about Alia also. Alia's also just done one.
Yeah.
Like Priyanka Chopra did it first, definitely. Aishwarya Rai also did it before all of them, but they all have an accent.
Oh, I got it.
I'm
getting what you say. Yeah.
Which I feel like when I talk also kabhi like if you're talking to someone with an accent, like when I was in America,
जाता
हो
है
जाता है
naturally.
because you're repeating yourself constantly otherwise. क्योंकि उनको कुछ समझ नहीं आता है. So I understand it's, but Deepika never. She has that South Indian tinge to her accent and she embraces it. Even when she does Bollywood movies, she doesn't try to hide it. You can tell it's not like this Bombay accent that. Yeah, and I love Ranveer Singh. I love him. I love him with all my heart.
For sure.
I have stalked him. I spent like 15 days following him once. He was in London. I love him. I truly love him. I was in Bombay recently, and his mother was at the same bar as me. And Ariki was like, "How the hell do you know who his mother is?" Because Ariki मेरे साथ थी. And she was standing behind me. And I was like, "Ariki, ये वो ही है ना?" He's like, "मेरे को क्या पता उसकी मम्मी कैसी लगती है?" And she was behind me, so but I wanted to Google her. So I quietly like Googled her, and I was like, "देख यही है ना?" She's like, "हाँ यही है." I was like, "देख उसकी मम्मी है." She's like, "How the hell do you know this?" I was like, मैं true fan हूँ. He was in London he's the ESPN ambassador. So he was in London for
Premier League thing.
it was the Premier League, Cardiff versus PSG. I think it was either PSG finals tha. It was not Cardiff, sorry, but it was Messi versus. It was a big match.
Okay.
I don't watch football, but it was a big match. It was in Cardiff, was the finals. But उसका at the time cricket का भी tour चल रहा था.
Got
तो
it.
India
83.
Pakistan नहीं before, this is way before 83 came out. This was
okay.
India Pakistan ODI match which was in Birmingham. And then he was with ESPN in Cardiff for the Madrid versus PSG. Yes, Madrid versus PSG final, जिसमें बहुत craze था.
So not the Premier League. Okay.
No,
हाँ, ठीक
I don't
है,
know
but
whatever it
yeah.
was. I didn't care what match it was. जिसमें मतलब हजार पाउंड की टिकट बिक रही थी तो भी लोग जा रहे थे. सो लाइक मैं एंड आई वाज लाइक आई विल स्टैंड आउटसाइड द स्टेडियम बट मैं जाऊंगी. And then India Pakistan also he was there and he did and Sachin Tendulkar was also at the match and it was so funny to watch because I was ऐसे boundary से तीन like in that first stand after the boundary. So सामने पूरे मैच में like everybody was screaming for the players obviously.
You were screaming
But
for me.
नहीं I am a cricket fan. I spent like 3 hours on bloody book my show for that match but मेरे को नहीं मिली है टिकट. तो अब मेरे को कुछ ना कर मैं 35,000 में तो नहीं खरीदने वाली हूँ. तो आई एम ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट इफ आई कैन गेट वन. बट देयर वाज अ लैप लाइक ही डिड दिस लैप पूरा वो ऐसा आधा किया था उसने बिकॉज आई थिंक ही हैड टू गो टू द VIP स्टैंड. और उसमें और वो है ना ही हैज दिस ऐसे ऐसे करना है पॉलिटिशियन की तरह. सो ही डिड दैट एंड द वे द क्राउड वाज चीयरिंग फॉर हिम. बेचारा सचिन तेंदुलकर भी आया था उसके लिए लोगों ने इतना नहीं किया बट इट्स बिकॉज द एनर्जी दैट ही रेसिप्रोकेट्स.
It's mad.
Yeah,
energy.
I've seen him at a nightclub also in Bombay once, which is the only time I've been. Like I think
Have you met him in person?
like ऐसे I've stalked him enough to like 2-3 बार मिली हूँ. मेरे पास autograph है. His mother is like friends with my mom's friend. तो मेरे को हर साल बर्थडे पे उनसे एक my birthday gift from that auntie is कुछ ना कुछ मेरे को दे देती है. रणवीर का like merch. हर साल एक पिक्चर एक वीडियो कुछ मेरे को मिल जाता है. बट आई रियली लव हिम लाइक ही इज माय. उसकी जब शादी हुई थी दिल दुखा था बट दे आर टू गुड टुगेदर सो इट्स
Yeah,
फाइन.
they are good together.
पावर
for
कपल.
sure. Fair. So what are your future plans? The last question. I mean, कुछ है ऐसा सोच के रखा है या जो होगा देखा जाएगा?
आई हेट दिस क्वेश्चन बिकॉज
जो
आई
होगा
रियली
देखा
डोंट
जाएगा.
नो.
जो होगा देखा जाएगा.
मतलब I don't think you can plan life because life happens.
Yeah, true,
I
but
have that
मैं
out.
ऐसा नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ 5 साल बाद क्या है वो तो बहुत वो 4-6 महीना 1 साल बाद कुछ है प्लान?
So I have always wanted to start a studio. Yeah. So I studied print media. There is one print studio that I know of in Ahmedabad, which is at Kanoria, which you can use, but it's quite outdated. The equipment that they have. I find it a shame that I went to college in America to learn print since I'm from Gujarat, which is where print is like the most inherent in our culture is print here. But I still went to America to learn about it, which I will always be ashamed of. But it's not taught here.
Yeah.
That is the problem.
Okay, that way.
Yeah, like यहाँ पे हमको बचपन में नहीं सिखाते. They don't. It's valued there, which is why things it's selling there. Like बांधनी is a very taxing thing, but यहाँ पे हम बहुत granted में ले लेते हैं क्योंकि हर जगह दिखता है हमको. So I want to not for textiles, but I did like fine art printmaking. So like lithography, screen printing, थोड़ा technical है. So I want to start a studio. But I also think the way art is taught in India is problematic. Art shouldn't be taught. Art is what comes from within. You teach the skill
Got it.
and then you let them. So I think that's what I struggled when I was doing my portfolio. कि तुमको कोई बोलता है कि ये रेड होना चाहिए पर मेरे को ब्लू चाहिए, मैं क्यों रेड करूँ? So I think I always fought. I feel like मेरी एक थी जहाँ पे मैं जाती थी क्लास and I feel like I really traumatized her for years. मैंने उनको बहुत परेशान किया उन आंटी को. Until date, I think I was her first student when I joined, one of the first. So she really served me from 8th to 12th. मैं उनके साथ थी, portfolio भी उनके साथ किया था. मैंने उनको बहुत ट्रॉमेटाइज किया, बहुत परेशान किया बिकॉज आई वॉज वेरी एडमेंट अबाउट वॉट आई वॉन्टेड टू डू. बट फॉर हर शी नोज what sells, what colleges will like. So I understood her input, but I didn't want to do it that way. So that was my problem with the way art is taught. मैंने art drop किया था 11th 12th में because ICSE में तुमको water color still life इतना ही कराते हैं, still life composition और कुछ नहीं होता है. And I was like, I don't think that art shouldn't be taught.
Got it.
Like it's one of those things. How can you tell someone कि draw me a scenery? सब बच्चे सेम करते हैं ना, mountains brown, sky blue, फिर एक नदी और एक hut. Like सबका वो सेम होता है. It's because you're taught that way. So I want to start a studio where people can come, use my facility, and kind of experiment and learn. Rather than, and I'll teach the basic skill. Okay, obviously because printmaking requires there is a technicality in it. So technical side I'll teach.
Okay.
But I don't want to teach the creative side.
And they can be there and do it by themselves.
Yeah, I'll supervise obviously, especially kids. Like I think kids need supervision. It's not the safest. So I'm happy. Like I was like always said that below 7 I'll do classes below the age of 7.
Like a venture studio or something.
मैं नहीं गई हूँ बट आई
हाँ,
हर्ड
Venture Studio,
आई हर्ड
जहाँ लोग स्टार्टअप करते हैं और दे हाँ आई अंडरस्टूड
हाँ.
आई अंडरस्टूड
हाँ, so just like a
different
have a
kind of people
space.
coming together
Als-
doing their art and all that.
Also, I think in Ahmedabad, the inspiration is a problem because there's no space to meet and meet people alike people. So I just wanted to be a hangout space like that, जहाँ पे कोई लोग मिले. I feel like meeting fellow artists, and Ahmedabad has so many artists. We have NID, we have CEPT, we have some of the best art schools in the country.
Yeah, in the
And
country,
in the
actually.
country, NID is number one, and still we don't have a place like this. Like अभी आर्टशिला खोला है जो थोड़ा ऐसा आर्टशिला
अच्छा
हाँ.
okay
So it is like that.
okay so you're planning as a studio के साथ cafe and all that or just okay
It's a studio. So I want to start studio culture basically.
हाँ फिर
So
वो
it is like
commercial
a
चला जाएगा
it's like a
आप अगर
creative co-working space.
समझ
So
गया,
co-working space अब सबको समझ आ गया है thanks to COVID. But creative co-working.
that sounds really good as an idea
I've been sitting on it for 2 years.
sitting on it
मतलब डेवलपमेंट चल रहा है मेरा. I'm telling you ना, I have a commitment issue because starting it means I can't travel as much anymore. So मेरे को करना है. मैंने अपने आप को November 26 जो मेरा बर्थडे डेडलाइन दिया है.
this November
Yeah, I have space सब कुछ तैयार है मेरा. मेरे को बस चालू करना है ना.
interior is left
हाँ
हाँ जो 1 महीने में हो सकता है
हाँ मतलब I have
you have 2 months
yeah I have this month. I don't even have 2 months क्योंकि मैं next month हुई नहीं.
oh shit
मैं नवरात्रि के बाद निकल रही हूँ और मैं 24 नवंबर वापस आऊँगी.
और 2 दिन में चालू करना है
हाँ मतलब देखेंगे. आई थिंक मेरा दिसंबर पुश होगा. बट आई मीन आई वांट टू हैव लाइक फॉर माई बर्थडे माई गोल फॉर माई बर्थडे सॉफ्ट लॉन्च विद फ्रेंड्स टाइप्स एंड देन स्लोली डेवलपमेंट हो जाएगा. आई डोंट वांट इट टू बी लाइक oh you can't do this space. Everything is possible.
yeah
Like you know when you go to certain classes, like तुम suppose pottery के लिए जाओ, there's a very specific way of doing it, which I understand. It's the technicality that requires that specificness, but I don't want that. I want kids to come and experiment, and I love that parents are now seeing the importance of extracurriculars. I think when we were growing up, सब में नहीं था.
नहीं था
My parents had it because my parents were very extracurricular forward. I was in boarding school. That is also like extracurricular forward. It was not one of those schools which was academically forward.
oh that is good
So I grew up like that. But I feel like मेरे generation मेरे like batch में सबका था 90% लाओ. मैं 12th में थी तब मेरा batch average 94 था
what the fuck
12th boards के. मैं उसके वे बिलो थी. आई थिंक मेरे को 88 ऐसा कुछ आया था.
which is good
ICSE के लिए दैट्स बैड ना. ICSE में सबको 96
I know,
97. ICSE इज सबको मतलब मेरे बैच में वी वर 102 पीपल जिसमें 68 आर्ट्स वाले थे हम ह्यूमैनिटीज़ वाले और हमारे में से आई वुड से 40 पीपल गॉट अबव 90. सो आई वॉज इन द बिलो लाइक लोअर साइड ऑफ इट. जो आई मीन माई पेरेंट्स वर नेवर दे वर लाइक ओ एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर गेटिंग अ डिसेंट ग्रेड बाकी तुमको जो करना है करना. विच इज़ हाउ आई डिड स्कूल एंड आई एम वेरी अप्रिशिएटिव दैट्स हाउ आई वॉज ब्रॉट अप. बट आई एम लाइक मोस्ट पीपल आर नॉट लाइक दैट. मोस्ट फैमिलीज हैव
ठीक है सबका अलग है
हाँ बट या
wow sick what was the question that I asked
what my plans are, my
वो आपने
future
बता दिया. नहीं मैं
plans.
वही सोच रहा था wow.
But yeah,
so where is this place जहाँ मतलब is it in this area or what
no. So it's in Gulbai Tekra.
okay
So my dad has an office building जहाँ पे उनका एक they have a showroom space जो अभी रेंट पे नहीं है. So I was like might as well use it. Since COVID रेंट पे नहीं था वो. So I have the space. It's a nice space.
but you are thinking कि करना नहीं करना
नहीं मेरे को करना है. There's no doubt about it. My only hang up right now is that I want a printing press. जो lithography में एक press use होता है. There is one person in Baroda who makes it, but their quality is not great. If I want the best quality, so I'm trying to make my own press.
got it
So, but also Goa is so much like I have a house in Goa that we put on Airbnb. तो अभी वही डे और नाइट रिप्लाई करने में
Okay.
प्रॉपर्टी मैनेजमेंट
समझा.
कोऑर्डिनेशन
oh there's hell lot of things
there
going on
yeah
right now. That's good.
and develop like my dad's are into real estate development. So he's just moving from I mean he's not moving he's into public sector so highways airports
Okay,
roadways but he's kind of small project in Goa because we both like Goa so much villas चालू किए हैं so उसका भी design process अभी चालू हो गया है.
wow sick South Goa or
Villas that we are selling are in north. My houses that we are Airbnb is in the south. अभी restaurant भी खुल रहा है. So there's too much happening.
wow
So
You got any sibling?
I'm an only child. But I grew up in a joint family. So
Acha.
I have, my chacha has 2 kids and we are, they're basically my siblings. Like there is, I don't see the, like, मैं उसके बर्थडे के लिए जा रही हूँ.
Oh, okay,
हाँ.
got it, got it. Cool. It was a great chat.
I know.
I mean, we had a very long chat and it was very smooth and
Yeah.
good. I mean,
Considering this has been like a month in the planning,
Yeah, I know.
cancel हुआ कितनी बार, I'm
I
sorry.
know. No, it's alright. You've been traveling a lot, so I hope you had fun too.
Yeah,
And
it was great.
We'll do this again soon.
Yeah.
And I wish you luck for the.
You too. Congratulations on the new store.
Thank you.
The opening was, like I told you when it
Yeah.
opened, that was one of the most fun openings I've been to.
Yeah.
Because it was activity based and it was so easy for everyone to enjoy.
Glad.
But yeah, it was great and it's looking great, the store.
Cool. So I'll see you guys in the next podcast.
Yeah.
Till then, like, comment, share, subscribe, जो भी होता है सब कर लो. And bye. Much love.